Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can stop Hubstaff from taking screenshots. And without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com and log in to your Hubstaff account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're going to set our sites on the left panel, and from the options below, we're going to click on Settings. From here, we would see all the different settings in which we can configure our Hubstaff account. But we would set our focus on activity and tracking, and under that, screenshots. From here, click on screenshots. And as you can see, this is where you would see the screenshot frequency on where Hubstaff will take screenshots every 10 minutes for all members or even individually. Currently, I am on 3 times every 10-minute period. So how can I stop Hubstaff from taking screenshots? Simply click right here, and from the drop-down menu, click on None, and then Apply to All. And as easy as that, Hubstaff will now stop from taking screenshots when you're doing your work. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!